Now in this question they're asking us to find the potential here at point A, point B and point C, right? They have grounded this point, so that means the potential here is 0, right? To find the potentials of these 3 points, clearly we need to know the direction of current, the flow of the current. So let's start. The current will flow from this point this way, and it will face two different paths, two different similar paths. Here 10 ohms, 20 ohms, back to the cell, 10 ohms, 20 ohms, back to the cell, and again another path is there. Let's see now this point and this point. So now we know equal amount of current will flow through these two resistors, 10 ohms and 10 ohms. So the potential difference must be equal. So the potential here, let's name it X and Y. Potentials of X and Y are equal. Now we are coming to the point. So no current will flow through these two resistors. In the question it is 10 ohms here. So no current will flow through this 10 ohms and 40 ohms because the potentials of Y and potentials of X are equal. So no current will flow through in through these 10 ohms and 40 ohms. So the potentials of A and B must be equal, and that value must be equal to Y and X. So VA is equal to VB, and then again Vy and Vx. So we need to find the potentials of X and Y, or whatever it is, Y or X. Let's find the values of potentials Vy and Vx. So here now we can see the current will flow from 10 ohms to 20 ohms, 10 ohms to 20 ohms. So these two are series. So in series, 60 volts is shared between 10 ohms and 20 ohms. So I'm going to apply the ratio method. Resistance ratio is equal to potential ratio. So 10 ohms, 10 is to 20 ratio, so 1 is to 2 ratio. So if you take the potential ratio, so 1 over 3 into 60 and 2 over 3 into 60, so we are getting 20 volt and 40 volt. That means this 10 ohms is keeping 20 this 10 ohms is keeping 20 volt, and this is holding 40 volts. So the potential here is 0, so the potential here, it must be 60 volt, right? If 10 ohms is keeping 20 volt, so the potential at Y, it has to be 40, because current flows from this point to this point, right? Then this will keep 40 volts, so again it's 0, right? Then Y, it has to be 40 again. Now we know Vx and Vy are equal, that is 40 volt. Now we need to find point C. Obviously it is 0, so point Vc is 0. Then point A and B that are equal, that is equal to Vy and Vx. We found Vx and Vy, that is 40. Now we have all the values.